Today, you will learn how to add a logo in Footer in Word. First, open the Insert tab, then click Footer. Choose any footer style you like. I'll select the first blank footer. If you see sample text and you only want to add a logo, select the text and press Delete. Now, click inside the footer where you want the logo to appear. On the Header and Footer tab, click Pictures to insert a logo saved on your computer, or choose Online Pictures if your logo is online. Select your logo and click Insert. If the logo is too large or too small, drag one of the corner handles to resize it while keeping its shape. Now choose Layout option and choose In Front of Text. Move the logo to the position you want inside the footer. When you're finished, double-click anywhere in the main document or click Close Header and Footer to save your changes. That's it. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe.